Can you powder coat with a grill? Let's find out. Okay, so got this valve cover right here, powder coated. I didn't mask anything off because you could just wipe off the parts later on. And then for the powder, we're using Lollipop Red from Prismatic Powders. And we need 10 minutes at 375 degrees, which we're just gonna send it. So this might work really good with dark, like black, or just black, like dark colors. But let's see how it works on a lighter color. And let's see if we just ruin this perfectly good intake manifold. What the hell have I got myself into? Now we don't want the flames too big. Okay. Come back in 20 minutes and see how it turned out. Okay, it has been 12 minutes. Beautiful. Okay, we need to let this thing cool off. I'm assuming there's oil burning off in there. So we'll just let it do its thing. But I mean, looks pretty fucking good. God damn. Just let it cool off. I would say it came out pretty dang good. Could always go for another coat, but it's not too bad. Not too shabby. I mean, considering that this manifold is textured, looks pretty good.